Hello there and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of joining me, you are in the right place. So without wasting much time, let's get right on to today's video. So today's video, we are going to be talking about lot sizes. We have been hearing of lot sizes, lot sizes, lot sizes. Lot sizes would help you. It is going to, if you understand lot sizes, it's going to change your life. It's going to help you throughout your trading journey, how you trade, how you approach the market, and let us get right onto it. Lot sizes. Now, one thing you should know is that lot sizes takes care of your risk. It takes care of you in the forex market in total, right? You would have to set it before even placing a trade, so you have to pay attention to it before hitting a buy or a sell button. Okay, so lot size is basically the amount or quantity of a trade that you bought or you sold, or you want to buy or you want to sell. Right? It's sometimes called your position size or your trade size. So in the forex market, currency pairs are not just bought or sold singly, right? We all know that it is not possible to buy just $1 or one value of any currency pair. Right? There's a standardized units for selling and buying of currency pairs in the online forex trading. They are bought and sold in packs called lot sizes. That is what makes the gain appreciable. If not, your profit in forex would be maybe $0.0001 or something like that. Okay, but you buy these currency pairs in bulk or in packs known as lot sizes, right? That is why they are appreciable. Now there are different types, basically three types of lot sizes. One, we have the standard lot size. Two, we have the mini lot size. And three, we have the micro lot size. Now, for the standard lot size contains 100,000 units and is represented by one lot. All right. So in your trade execution to like maybe MT4 or MT5, that's what you're going to see. That's the standard lot size. One lot, right? You can buy or sell as many of standard lot size as possible if you have the money. Okay, if you pick a standard lot size as a lot to trade, each movement of one pip is $10. All right, but some currency pairs may not be up to $10, but standard it is $10, which means if the market moves in your favor by just one pip, you are making an extra $10. If the market doesn't move in your favor by one pip, or if the market goes against you by one pip, it means if you're using a standard lot size, it means that you are losing $10. So simply put, for a standard lot size, one pip is equal to $10. Okay, now let's move over to the second one, which is one mini unit. It contains 10,000 units and is represented by 0.10. Okay, one mini unit is $10,000 units of any currency pair, which is equal to $1. That mini unit equal to 10,000 units. The symbol is 0.1 on your trade execution to like MT4 and MT5. If you pick one mini lot size as a lot to trade, each movement is $1, which means if the trade goes in your favor by one pip, you just earned yourself $1. If the trade goes against you by one pip, you've just lost $1. I hope it makes sense now. All right. So you can buy or sell up to 0.9 lot size at a go per single trade if you have the money. Okay, so 0.1 lot equal to 0.1 volume equal to 10,000 units. That is mini units. Okay, then finally micro units. Micro unit is 1,000 units of any currency pair. Micro unit is equal to 1,000 volume. The unit is 0.01 lot or volume. It is represented on your MT4 or your MT5 or any other trade execution app that you use as 0.01 lot size. So we'll take that again. Standard lot size is 100,000 units, and it is represented by one lot, which equates to $10. Mini lot contains 10,000 units and is represented on your trade execution app as 0.01. If you are trading with a mini lot and your trade moves well by 1 pip, you just earn yourself $1. If it doesn't go in your favor, it just means that you have lost $1. Okay, and then for micro lot size is 0.1. If you pick micro lot size as a lot to trade, each movement of 1 pip is $0.1. Okay, so take a look at it once more. Take note, 10 mini lots is equal to 1 standard lot, and 10 micro lots is equal to 1 mini lot. All right. All these are for only USD quote pairs. Take a look at that of JPY pairs. Let's see how lot sizes affect traders. So take for instance, 3 traders trade a currency pair and 3 of them made 50 pips. All right. The trade went in their direction by 50 pips. While trader A traded 1 standard lot size of a pair, he would be making $10 times 50 pips, which is $500, right? Trader B traded 1 mini lot size of a pair and would make $1 times 50 pips, that is $50. And trader C traded 1 micro lot size of a pair and would make $0.1 times 50 pairs equal to $5. So even though they all participated in the same trade and the market moved in their direction by the same amount of pips, their profits were different because the amount of that particular currency they bought was different. I hope it makes sense now. See you in the next video.